Okay, a very good morning everyone. Welcome back to our online class again. Everyone, how are you today? Okay, so I hope you all are fine. Everyone, did you do homework and also the classwork for your teacher? You sent it to your teacher already, right? Good. Okay, and what day is it today? So today is Monday, right? Okay, so every Monday, what do we have, everyone? So we have Hangout 2 and Listening Starter 2, right? And today we are going to continue our lesson in Unit 4 and we are going to focus on the phonics, okay? So everyone, before going on with our lesson today, so let me review a little bit because our lesson related to phonics, so let me review a little bit about the phonics that we learned in Unit 3 because in each unit we have the phonics lesson, right? So that's why let me ask you some question or a question related to the sound that we have learned in Unit 3. So everyone, do you still remember how many sounds did we learn in Unit 3? Do you still remember? Yes, sure. There are 3, right? 3 sounds. What are they? Let's sing. So the first one is sh, right? The second one is s, and the last one is ch, right? And can you give me some word of sound sh? Okay, like this one, shoes, sheep, shorts, right? Good. And what about sound th here? Like what is it? Thirsty, what else? Some, sing, okay? So some suck. What about sound ch? Can you give me some word sound ch? Like chair, right? Chips, chair, chips, lunch, right? Lunch, okay? Line, so sound ch at the end here, okay, you see, and chip, cheap part, right? Chip, got it? Okay, so again, in Unit 3 related to the phonics, we learned with these 3 sounds, right? Sh, s, and ch, okay, good. And right now, let's move to our lesson all together. Our lesson related to the phonics, right? Okay, so please open your book on page 53 all together, and then you will see the phonics, right? So in section A, they want you to listen, point and say, track 016. So everyone, before I explain you in detail about this sound, so I would like to ask you to listen first, okay? So right now, are you ready to listen? You know everyone, when you are listening to the track, don't forget to repeat after the track, okay? Don't forget to repeat after the track. So when you hear soccer, so you need to repeat soccer. When you hear English, so you need to repeat English. Got it? Okay, so right now, let's go together.
A. Listen, point, and say. Number 1.
Soccer. Soccer.
Number 2.
English. English.
Number 3.
Scissors. Scissors.
Number 4.
Shorts. Shorts.
Okay, everyone, so can you hear it clearly? And did you repeat after the track? That's good, everyone. Okay, so I hope that you can repeat after the track all together. So when you hear about soccer, I hope that you repeat after the speaker, okay? So right now, do not waste the time, let's move with me all together. So this one, how can you read it at the moment? What is it? Soccer, right? Good, soccer. Suck, right? This one sound, what is it? Sound suck, okay? Suck. S, got it? So soccer. This one, what is it? English, right? So sound z, right? Sound sh, not z, sh. So English, got it? Good. And another one, this one, how can you read it? Scissors, right? Scissors. So this one sound, what is it? Sound suck, right? I see, sound suck. Scissors. And the last one, was it? Shorts. So this one, SH, we just learned recently in Unit 3, right? Shorts. Got it? Okay, so in order to know clearly, so I would like to ask you to listen again, okay? So are you ready to listen? Okay, so if you are ready, now let's start listening to the track all together.
A. Listen, point, and say. Number 1.
Soccer. Soccer.
Number 2.
English. English.
Number 3.
Scissors. Scissors.
Number 4.
Shorts. Shorts.
Okay, everyone. So I hope that you can read all of this word very well. Okay. So scissor, sorry, soccer. So this picture, right, like football. English. Okay, here English. And this one, scissor, we just learned recently, a thing that you can use to cut like pepper, hair. Okay. And shorts. So you can use it like when you go to the gym. So you can wear shorts. The picture is like this. Got it? Shorts. Okay, that's a good everyone. So now right now let's move to section B altogether. But before going on, let me ask you a question. So how many sounds are there did we learn today? Okay, so we have learned with the 4 sounds, right? S, S8, SC, and sh, S8, right? Sh, and sh, this one, right? So this one sound was it? Sound sh. English. So totally there are only 2 sounds, right? Sound sh here and sound sh. Got it? Good. So right now let's move to do exercise all together. Section B here. Say the words, underline the letter. So they want you to underline the letter that make the sh sound. So you need to underline the sh sound. Sorry, the sh sound. Circle the letter that make the S sound, or we can say circle the letter that make the sound. Got it? Okay, so do not waste the time. So let's move to do the exercise with me all together. So this one, how can you read it? Sister, right? Sisters. So sister sounds sh or sounds s? Sister. Okay, sounds s, right? So do we underline or we circle? Great job. We circle, right? Good. So we circle on letter S because was it? Sisters. What about number 2? How can you read it, everyone? Number 2. Let me show you the option, the pointer. So this one, what is it? Fish, right? Fish. So sound was it? You're right. Sounds was it? S, right? Not s. So sound was it? Sh, right? Sh. So what is it? We underline or circle? Correct. We underline, right? Good. We underline under the letter S, S8. Correct. What about number 3? Was it sound? Was it? How can you read? Shoes, right? Shoes. So sound sh, right? Sh. So what is it? Do we underline or circle? Correct. We underline, right? Because sound sh. Okay, everyone. What about number 4 here? Science, right? How can you read science? So science sound was it? Sound s, right? So sound s like this. Do we underline or circle? Correct, we circle, right? Because sound s like science, right? Science. So that's why we circle on it. Okay, that's a good, everyone. So these are the answer for section B. Okay, so do not waste the time. Right now, let's move to another point. So right now we finished the phonics already, but before finish the phonics here, let me explain you again about this one. About what is it? About this line. So this one, how can you read it, everyone? Number 1, soccer. Soccer here sound s, right? Number 2, what is it? English. Sound sh, right? English. Got it? Scissors. This one sound was it? Sound s as well, right? Scissors. So sound s. S8 here refer to sound s, right? Scissors. This one sound shorts. Got it? That's a good. Okay, everyone. So do not waste the time. Let's move to the other point and let's into what is it? Writing. Okay, based on the course book. Writing here, they want you to what is it? To choose 4 subjects because they have a question to you, which classes do you have today? And then you need to choose 4 subjects. As you know already, we just learned recently with the word of subject, right? What are they? Like, was it geography, math, art, music, computer. Okay, so there are 8 subjects that we just learned recently. So right now they want you to choose 4 subjects, and then they need you need to tell your friend or to tell me that what kind of material will you bring with. Okay, like sing in my backpack. So when you are studying music, what should you have? What about geography? When you are studying geography, what should you have? So you can say I have a map, or you can say I have music, or you can a recorder when you study music. Okay, so I have an example for you. You can look at here. Like here, I choose 4 subjects: music, geography, math, gym. Okay, so music here, what's that? What should I have for learning music? A recorder. And geography, what should I have for learning geography? Was it a map, right? What about math? What should I have? Okay, I have calculator. And what about gym? Okay, I should have, what is it? Shorts. What about you, everyone? What about you? So please fill your answer in this table, okay? In this chart. Don't forget. You need to choose 4 subjects and then write what should you have, okay? Okay, everyone, that's it for today. And let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you in the second session.